Okay, this is Roosevelt's plane. The Sacred Cow. It's the cockpit. Radio desk. Radio guy. Yeah. Galley. Beds for the crew. Fuel tanks. Yeah, I should have left the camera bag at the hotel. Guess that's kind of transformed into tables and stuff. Had to be thin in order to get through here. Presidential office there. Of course, with all this type of stuff. Plexiglass. There's more rooms back there. Bathroom there on the right. Okay, there's the lift right there that sign's talking about. Since he had polio and couldn't walk. And that's a Sacred Cow. Kind of small compared to 2600. 1,000, whatever. Alright. Okay. Here's the Independence. Carried Truman from 47 to 53. Military version of the DC-6.
Attention visitors, if you need assistance or have a question, please stop at the information desk located in each building.
Truman from 47 to 53. President Truman named it Independence in recognition of his hometown, Independence, Missouri.
The launch pad shop and snack above the missile gallery is open until 4:30 p.m. Museum exit doors are located in the museum atrium.
Air Force officials ordered the 29th production of the DC-6 to be modified as a replacement for the aging Sacred Cow, different from the standard, including an aft stateroom for president and main cabin, which seated 24 passengers or 12 sleeper berths. Other improvements included reversible pitch propellers, weather radar, radar altimeter, autopilot, and other advanced navigation. More injection gave the engines more power at takeoff, and larger fuel tanks enabled it to fly nonstop to any location within the U.S. Had a unique bright color scheme recommended by Douglas Air, consisting of a stylized American eagle with the feathers carried down the fuselage to the vertical stabilizer. Formally commissioned on July 4, 47, and Truman made his first official flight on August 31 to the International Conference in Brazil, one of the plane's most historic flights occurred. October 50, when it carried Truman to Wake Island to discuss Korean War situation with MacArthur. That's what it looked like. May of 53, they retired it. And it became a VIP transport for several Air Force organizations. Aircraft was retired and placed on display at the museum in 65. In 77, 78, museum personnel restored it and returned the aircraft to its former presidential markings and eagle motif paint scheme. Had a crew of 9 plus 25 passengers. Engine for Pratt & Whitney. Maximum speed 360. Range 4,400 miles. Ceiling 31,200. Weight 93,200 pounds loaded. Another squeeze. Do all this part early in our trip. Independence. Most of it's there at the door, but if you're tall, you have to bend down. I mean, I'm 5 foot, and I'm hitting the top of my forehead. So people over 5'1" have to duck. There's the cockpit area. Radio. Oxygen tanks. Yeah, I have forgotten how close these walls were. Bathroom. Presidential playing cards, which I probably have in the gift shop. Floor and a bed above. Emergency exit, okay. I know I was a little rushed on when I did before. Galley there. So we got the stoves and burners, sink, stove, refrigerator. Okay, if I go out that way, got some couch there, table, an emergency exit. I'll have to turn around. Bathroom. Okay, didn't remember this from before. I had to turn around. But that is the Independence. Off to the next one.